So question 12 is a global question. You can tell because the word if is not in front of it. They're also asking about what can't be true of the schedule of voyages. So 4 of these can be true, 1 of them can't. The reason that we would hold off on a question like this until later is because we would like to see a lot of different ways the game could work out before we answer it. And by doing the local questions first, we get the opportunity to see a lot of ways the game could work out. So if we've ever seen it, we know it's not our answer. And if we know it can't happen, we know it is our answer. So let's go answer choice by answer choice. Answer choice A says that Freedom goes to Trinidad in week 6. And this is where we're going to take our easy point. We knew from the very beginning T wasn't allowed to be 6th because T was 7th, and you can't have consecutives. So A is definitely our answer. We should select it and move on. So answer choice A is our answer.